What's up, guys? I'm back at it, working on the 3800 swap for the wide body Fiero. As you see, I got the engine out of the Regal. The Regal's gone. So I'm going to start tearing it down. I want to reseal this engine. I think I got to rebuild the supercharger and basically just get it ready to go in. It's cold, so I got my heater going, which works if you're within 2 feet of it. And never mind the dirty workbench. I got all the stuff for the engine. Got the Fiero Raj mounts and brackets and the seal kit, engine mount, water pump, belts, flywheel, some spark plug wires, fuel pump for the car, spec clutch. So I think I got about everything I'm gonna need here. Got a Fiero modified thermostat housing. So yeah, I also found my GoPro, so I'm going to see if I can get that working so it's not just iPhone videos. But basically tonight I'm going to see how long I can work on this before I decide I'm too cold and go in the house. Basically want to get the harness stripped off, you know, get all the bracketry and all that off so I can take the engine, kind of take it apart, not taking the heads or anything like that off, but just take it apart, see what it looks like inside, replace all the gaskets, basically make it where it doesn't leak, and then I'm going to put it in the car. And I think next winter we're going to pull it out, rebuild it, do some mods to it. But for now I just want to get it in and get it running. So yeah, that's where we're at. Well, got it apart, mostly. There's all the bits and pieces off of it. Now the Regal this came out of had 219,000 miles on it. This engine ran really good. The guy told me he maintained it well, and looking inside of it, I'm gonna have to agree. He at least changed the oil regularly. Everything looks nice. There's no gunk buildup or anything like that. I gotta bring my harmonic balancer home from work and get the timing cover off of it. I wanna see what the timing chain's like. I gotta get the oil pan off of it. I gotta get the exhaust manifolds off of it. But it's pretty good progress. It's freezing cold in here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm pretty happy with what I see. Like I said, we're just gonna clean up and reseal this thing. I mean, the intake gaskets were leaking, and the oil pan gasket leaks, and oil filter housing adapter gasket leaks, and I'm pretty sure the crank seal leaks, and the oil pan gasket leaks. We got everything to fix that. So I'm just going to do that now, and then next winter maybe I'll pull it out of the Fiero and go with bigger camshafts, some rockers, smaller pulley. But yeah, for now that's all I got.